This project is called Can Machines Understand Emotion? It's a collaboration between the JGI, We the Curious Science Centre in Bristol and the Alan Turing Institute, which is the UK's National Institute for Data Science and Artificial Intelligence.
The project involves a game which asks people to match faces toward the emotion. We're using a publicly available data set of human faces, and these emotions include happiness, sadness, anger, fear, disgust and surprise. The algorithm is learning from these decisions, and so keeping track of all of them, trying to understand what does it mean for a face to express a specific emotion.
You can see the faces being dragged in different directions based on what the computer is currently thinking. And that's the thing we really wanted to get across, is that people could actually see the machine thinking, so people could understand what was happening when it was learning.
Having the awareness of the public that the human is so important in all this process is vital and crucial, in my opinion.
So our hope is that if we can get people working together with machines, then they'll both understand how they work, they'll trust them more, and also we might be able to avoid some of the obvious sources of bias in these algorithms. We'd love it if people come and have a go at the JGI showcase and give us more insight into how people interact with machines.